So there we have seen about operators and expressions. As a part of it, we have already completed. First operator called what? Assignment operator. Yes, arithmetic operator. So what is an operator? Used to perform certain operation on the given data. An expression is a collection of objects or variables connected with an operator, right? In other words, if collection of objects or variables connected with an operator, expression here. So we are having 7 types of operators. So this is what we have listed already in the previous session. And as a part of it, note 1, note 2, note 3, some note 4. These are the things we have already completed. As a part of this discussion, we also had a discussion about arithmetic operator students. So arithmetic operator importance and what they will do and how many types of arithmetic operators are there. All those things we discussed. And main important thing of also is like the division and modulo division and exponentiation. So these are the examples we completed already in our previous sessions. Okay, students. Now it's a time to go for some more examples on the arithmetic operator. Yesterday time was not sufficient. We'll go for one more kind of things. So, right? Open the notes, all of you. Open the notes now. Why you are sitting that corner? Sit with everybody. Sit with everybody. Last, come here. Come sit with somebody. Don't sit alone. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will calculate square root of a given number. Important. Square root of a given number. Which will calculate square root of a given number. Which will calculate square root of a given number. Look at students. All of you look into that. I'll go for a small analysis here. So the given problem is what here? Calculating what? Square root of a given number. So come in. Square root of a given number. What is that mathematical representation of it? Mathematical representation will be something like this. Carefully observe it. This you can do it something like this. So this question, the hacker ranking example question, here you must understand it. And they are asking without using SQRT function. Without using what? SQRT function. I mean, you can do in 2 ways, students. One is called n is equal to 25. N is equal to 25. And before that, what you can say? Now I can use it, this one, by using import math module. And I can say what here? Math dot what? SQRT of what? N. What is the answer is coming? 5.0. 5.0. Are you following? So go to once and see here, Python here, and then in this place, observe it. We'll take out this property here. Here I am writing. So coming to this back, there I am saying n is equal to 25. Import what? Math, and math dot what? SQRT of n, which is going to be what? 5.0. Correct? Now, here calculating square root of a given number without using what? SQRT. So we don't want to use this SQRT. This is called one solution. Today, this is the equation for you. This is a mathematical representation. For that, you need to understand when you are going to take square root, as you are already aware of it, square root means what? Inside the square root, here 2 will be there or not? You know, na? right? It is something like this, n to the power of what? 1. So when you take like that, it can be written as what? N to the power of 1 by 2, we can write it. Am I correct? Mathematics. This is little mathematics. N to the power of 1 by 2, which is nothing but what? Exponentiation, n to the power of what? 0.5, correct? N to the power of 0.5 means what? How do you write in Python? N star star 0.5, we can write it. N star star 0.5, we can write it. So which is equivalent to which function? SQRT. Very, very important concept here. So coming to back, n is equal to, same thing, n is equal to 25. I'm saying n star star 0.5, which is going to give you the result called what? Same answer called 5.0. Are able to get it? N is equal to something like 2. Square root of 2 is called what? 1.414, something like this is there or not? N star star 0.5. What is the answer? Like this. N is equal to what? 3. N star star 0.5. Which is going to give you the answer called what? 1.732. Don't write simply. You can write like this also. 1 by 2. If I write n star star 1 by 2, what will happen? Here two operators are there. One double star operator, one slash operator. Here it is giving the preference for what first? Double star. So n double star 1 will take. N double star 1 means what it will take? N into 1. If n is equal to 25, n into 1, 25 star star 1 by 2 means what? It will take 25 by 2, it will take, which is called a 12.5 will come. This is called a logic answer, right or not? So we should, if you want to write like this, alternatively, you have to write n star star of what? 1 by 2. First you evaluate the bracket. Then you can go for it. Let us see both the answers here. N is equal to 25. See students, n star star 1 by 2. You'll get the answer called what? 12.5. If you write the same thing, I am writing 1 by 2 and you'll get the answer called what? Is it clear? So important students, this is an important discussion here. So here I am trying to say that code I want to write it. Is it understandable? So now I will go for the coding. I'll go for coding. Let us open all online students. Are you comfortable with this logic? Are you okay, students? This you understood? So how do you write it? N to the power of what? 1 by 2. If you want, you can write it in the notes also. This is for your analysis purpose, for your clarity purpose. N to the power of what? 0.5 you can write it. 0.5 you can write it. In the Python instruction I am writing. What is the Python instruction? So Python instruction is n into star star 0.5. Star star 0.5. This is an answer. You can also write the Python instruction as what? N star star 1 by 2 you can write it. Both of them will give you the same answer. Are you able to follow? Well, keep it aside. Now I want to go for the program. Let us close this point. Now already we are in the same arithmetic operators only. Are you able to follow, students? Let us go to the 7 ECMA operators. I will write it. One more thing. I am writing new file. I am writing here SQRT exponentiation operator.py. It is my program. There I will take it. Okay. So enter a key and then see here I am writing program for calculating square root of a given number. Okay. Tell me, I should read the number or not? What do you read? N is equal to int of or float of, whatever you like it, float of, input of, enter a number. Yes, got the number. RES is equal to, directly I will write it, n star star what? 0.5. I can write it by using what? I will write it SQRT of like this is equal to like this, I will write it. Format of n comma what? res. So try to run this code. Say right click in the same place, run sqrt of ex square root of example op. Behind of this run option, what is there? Python tool is there, which we already discussed or not. As run this case, enter the number 25. What is my output? 5.0. You run it once again. You run it once again here. You enter the number called something like 89. 89 answer is something like this. You say next one more time. You say 6.25. 6.25. 6.25. What the answer is? 2.5. 25 into 25 is called 625. 6.25 square root is 2.5. Are you able to follow? Like that. You can run this code. You can also run the same code as what? Print of. Now I'm writing here, students, one important point mark. I'm writing this. You see, res1 is equal to n star star. What I can say? 1 by 2 you can write it. I'm writing that instruction here. You can write like this. Square root of I'm writing is equal to, I'm writing here dot format of what? N comma res1. Like this also you can write. You can get it. So you try to run this code and see this now. 25 answer is going to be same. Are you able to get it? Yes. Tushara. See ma'am, always the square root result will be always in the form of what? Load. Always the form. General knowledge, that is, when I multiply 0.5, result is integer. Anything multiplied with float, it is going to be called what? Load only. So don't waste your time by going for such a simple doubt, ma'am. So don't waste your time. Try to get something. So don't ask everything from my side. Try to apply your intelligence. So try to get independency. So next time saying 56, the answer is going to be something like this. Are you able to get it? Yes. So coming to back, this is called one type of square root. Write down one more. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will calculate cube root of a given number. 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 This is a homework, you need to do it. Will you do it? Look at that. What is the cube root, mark? Cube root means like this. Right? N. Write down. Hint and hint. You write down hint there. HINT.